This is part 2 of the transformer project. I managed to put it in a box, a waterproof box. This side is the ground or counterpoise. This side is the antenna side with wing nut. I decided to use wing nuts for ease of connecting wires. This on the top is an L bracket, so I can mount it anywhere convenient. At the bottom, you can see the SO239 connector and 2 ventilating holes. Those holes are going to prevent any moisture buildup inside the box. Now, let's open the box so you can see what's inside. Okay, here it is. You can see the 1-to-1 BALUN transformer on the top. Below it is the 9-to-1 on-on. The 9-to-1 on-on output is connected to the 2 bolts with wing nuts. One is to the ground, the other one is for the antenna. The input of the 1-to-1 is connected to the SO239. Antenna, ground, mounting, and input SO239. This is the label of the box, and the next step, we will test it. The first step before we can start testing is to install or connect the dummy load. The dummy load is a 450 ohm resistor. I connected them in series. So the first connection is going to be at the antenna side. You see how convenient the wing nuts? Next, we're going to connect the ground side. Now we have the dummy load from the antenna side through the resistors, then to the ground side. That's 450 ohms. After connecting the 450 ohm dummy load, we're now ready to connect our nano VNA. First, we're going to connect PL259 to PL259 patch cord. Next, we're going to adopt the PL259 and convert it to SMA connector. This is an SMA cable that will be connected to the channel 1 of the nano VNA. We are ready to turn it on. Okay, this is the blue line. That's the SWR sweep from 1 megahertz to 30 megahertz. And the results are promising. Next step, now we are ready to connect it to the computer for bigger screen and to make it easier for us to see the results of the nano VNA. Here are the results of the nano VNA test. Here is the SWR sweep results from 1 megahertz to 30 megahertz. At 1 megahertz, the SWR is 1.147. At 14, it's 1.115. At 30, it's 1.420. Look at the frequency and SWR. With these results, this 9-to-1 transformer does not warrant any adjustments. It's perfect the way it is. Nothing is above 1.5 SWR across 1 megahertz up to 30 megahertz. Now keep watching the upper right corner of the screen. You can see the video is active. It's not a screenshot. It's going to sweep from 1 to 100. And we will wait until it arrives to 100 to make a very stable reading. Okay, I finished my testing, so I'm going to put this all back together. Remove the PL259. Make sure the box is properly sealed, and I'm going to make sure all the screws are tight. Presenting my 9-to-1 Anan